Listen, do not skip this video. Listen to the what I'm about to share, okay? Listen to the full message. So if you're an artist, you're a writer, musician, painter, dancer, singer, or you are doing something what your heart is calling you to do, like, however God is inspiring you to do in your life, whatever God is inspiring you to do in your life, follow through. Or like Mother Earth and your heart is inspiring you to do, you gotta keep doing it regardless of what. Look at my bow over here. Regardless of what is going on in your life, someone is falling sick, you're losing your loved one, whether you are seeing the proof of what you're doing is working or not. No, make a little bit of art, follow the little bit, write a little bit of music, write a line of it, okay, write a word of it, make a little bit of, do a little bit of dance or whatever. And I do not want to sound rude or something like that, because when I said that losing a loved one and all, so in November 2025, I got to know that my mom had cancer, okay? And on 18th February 2026, she finally passed away. And that was like the dark time for me, because I not only that I was like, I got to know like my mom might not make it, I might lose my mom, but also I was going through the big financial challenge. I didn't had the money to eat food, I didn't had the money to travel to even see her, okay? It was like really dark, and I was in a different city, and I couldn't pay my rent for I was not able to pay my rent, and I was afraid like, will my landlord throw me out? And it's not like I went through something like this before. It was me going through like something like this for the first time. So it was very tough and intense and dark, and I had nobody to talk to. I have to cut my video again and again because I'm making this video outside, and my dog is just like getting very cranky right now. I don't know why, but anyway, it was like really dark for me, and I had nobody to talk to, and I didn't know how to navigate this, and it was just so much, everything was going on all at once for me, okay, and very hard. And the reason why I could make out through, like I could handle all that confusion, uncertainty, and could move through the pain of losing my mom, she dying, and me not even being able to see her, and just so much, because every single day I was showing up and making video. I like making videos, okay, and I was doing it throughout, and I'm so glad my art held me. Your art will bring so much strength and support for you. And even though like I was like through my videos, Instagram videos and YouTube videos, I received the money for my donation, like for the food and all, and my landlord was kind enough me to let me stay without even paying a rent for like last 3 months. So far also I have not paid any rent, and I got that support and kindness from her, and I got all those donations of, it's just because universe was supporting me, Mother Earth was supporting me, because I was following my heart, I was making my art, I was following my inspirations, even though I was not seeing a full proof of it working out. I never felt like, oh my God, I'm making money through an empowering way. I felt like, oh my God, people are thinking I'm a beggar and that's why they are sending me money. But that was not the case. I was making art, I was showing up vulnerably, I was sharing spiritual wisdom, I was being authentic, and through just seeing me expressing my vulnerable truth, so many people who were not able to connect to their heart, they got connected when they saw me in my vulnerability. So that was so much of that was happening. But through this video, I just want to inspire you to keep making your art, keep following what God is calling you to follow. Do a little bit of it, find a way, and please do not think like I was being rude in any sense when I said like, whether you are losing a loved one, just show up and make a little bit of art. No, I understand the pain and grief, I really do. What I meant was, no matter what is going through, whether you are seeing any proof of it or not, whether you are feeling lonely or whatever you are feeling, just show up at your art. show up at that canvas, in front of that canvas, in front of the video, or like in front of the camera, at your, in your interviews or wherever. Just show up imperfectly, whatever you are feeling, okay, regardless. And the moment I made a video after that, I just felt little bit better. My videos were giving me strength. Okay, so book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me. Also, throughout this period, there was major self-doubt. I thought like maybe I'm not meant to guide people, teach people, or like mentor them. But like God told me, when you are going through some of the dark things and you are leading yourself so beautifully, only then you are able to lead other people, and like we are preparing you for that. So even though my friend, one of my friend told me like, okay, Jyoti, what you're doing is not working and all of that, and like when I couldn't make the money so far to pay my rent and all, it was just like everything was proving that it is not working. But in my heart there was a voice that yes, what I'm doing is working, and even though it is unknown, even though I don't know how things will work out, what life will look like moving forward, and there is fears, but it grows you. God gives you challenge because God also gives you the strength. If there is a problem, there is definitely a solution, okay, and you will find a solution. Usually when there is unknown, people quit, but do not quit. No, I am telling you, you are going to move forward through everything, but just do not quit and like keep going, and this entire universe will support you if you keep following your art, keep following your heart. Okay, keep making your art, keep doing, just keep following through, okay, keep following through every single day. Do a little bit, just a little bit, rest everything. You don't make it, you don't have to take the pressure of doing anything good or perfect. You just have to show up. You don't make an art, God makes it through you. So you are showing up, that's enough. Rest, God will take care, Mother Earth will take care, okay. Today is my happy birthday, and if you want to send me a loving donation for my rent, food bills, definitely do it. It will help me a lot. You can book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for intuitive guidance, psychic guidance, spiritual guidance, and you can get into my 12 weeks of mentorship. Oh my God, so powerful, because in 12 weeks I will reveal the magic that you have inside of you, and you will move beyond those beliefs that are making you feel like, oh my God, I'm not good enough, I'm not gifted enough, or I can't do it, I have nothing to offer to the world, or like those unworthiness wounds and fears and anxieties and ancestral wounds that are keeping you small. You will step out of that small energy, unworthiness energy, and into your power, into your confidence, into your magic, okay. So book that. Link of that is in my bio or in my description if you're watching it on YouTube, and I'll see you in another. And check out my magic paintings. Go to the link in my bio or in my description. I'll add it in the check out my magic paintings, because they will also bring that magic energy for you. Wow. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay, the fridge magnets of this painting are available.